Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create a new Angular project, which will be a CRUD project. So previously we had built an Spring Boot backend API to consume it in our Angular app. So this is our Spring Boot backend application and it is started. You can see it is up and running on port 8080. So we'll just see the output in our browser. So you can see the student is listed over here, and for now there is only one record, and I can call that by saying the id 1, and you can see I've got the single student data. We will be adding few more students from our Angular app. Okay, so let's get started. So first we'll create an Angular app. So let's create a new project over here called students. So first I'll just open up my cmd and I will copy the path to this folder, change directory. Yeah, so we'll give the command to create the project, say ng new students. This is the project name, so you can give anything over here instead of students. Hit enter. And would you like to add Angular routing? Yes. And which style sheet format? We will go with CSS. So it is installing the npm packages. This will take some time, so let us wait for it to complete. So it is created, guys, package installed successfully, and this is some kind of warning related to Git. So if you are getting this, it is fine. If you are not getting this, is also completely fine. So I will just close the terminal now, and you can see we have created a project called students. So we'll just open this with code, open with code. Okay, so here I have my src app, and you have your app html. I'll remove this, just give a h1 tag and say hello world. Let us open the terminal and serve the project to check if it is installed properly. Ng serve. So it is live on this port. So just click on this. So here it is. So you can see we have got this hello world from our Angular app. Let us install Bootstrap as well. So I will open another terminal over here and say npm install Bootstrap. Hit enter, and it is installed. Now we need to go and register this in our angular.json. So just scroll down, have build styles, yeah, over here. So go to your node modules and just search for Bootstrap. Okay, so here it is, Bootstrap dist css, and we are going to take the bootstrap min.css. Say copy relative path, add a comma over here and paste it within double quotes. You can remove the node modules or you can leave it, that will not make any difference. Change this to /. Okay, so we have added this css. Now we will add the js, so it will be inside the js folder, bootstrap bundle.min.js. Okay, say copy relative path, and you have the scripts over here. Okay, and that should be fine. Now let us go to our app component.html, and when I name a class called btn primary, So if Bootstrap is installed, we will get the Bootstrap design for this, or it will just show as a normal HTML button. Let me wrap this up in a external div. Yeah. And once you have made any changes in your angular.json file, we need to reserve the application so all the changes are loaded properly. Just stop this, say ng serve, go to your browser, and you can see the button is loaded over here. This is the Bootstrap's design. So that's it in this project, guys. We have seen how to install an Angular project and we have added Bootstrap in it. So in the next video, we will list down the student list from this API and we will make the CRUD operations. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.